In this video, we will be installing the Charvonia Design Bed Stiffeners on this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Tools required for this installation are a T55 Torx bit, a 5/32 or 4mm hex bit, a 9/32 drill bit and step bit with 3/8 increments, and a rib nut installation tool. Remove the rear bed bolts using the T55 Torx bit. Position the bed stiffener and reinstall the bed bolt. Check that the 3 bolt holes align with the factory dimples in the bed. Using the bed stiffener as a guide, drill one 9/32 hole. Use a drill stop to avoid drilling into anything else inside the bed. Remove the bed stiffener and use a step bit to carefully drill the first hole to its final size of 3/8. Using a rib nut installation tool, install the first M6 rib nut. Reinstall the bed stiffener using the bed bolt and one M6 button head cap screw. Tighten until snug, using care not to strip or spin the rib nut. Using the bed stiffener as a guide, drill the remaining 2 holes using a 9/32 drill bit. Remove the bed stiffener once again, drill the remaining 2 holes to a final size of 3/8 using a step bit, and install the remaining 2 M6 rib nuts. Next, install the bed stiffener using the factory bed bolt and 3 M6 button head cap screws with flat washers. Tighten the M6 button head cap screws securely, being careful not to cross thread, strip, or spin the rib nuts. Torque the bed bolts to 60 foot-pounds. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the bed. The Charvonia Design Bed Stiffeners are now installed. For more products, visit BilletTieDowns.com. Thank you for watching.